Hi guys, and welcome to the rewind section. This is the part of the show where we're going to revise the work that you've covered in grades 10 and 11 just to make sure that you know everything you need to know before you start with your grade 12 work. Alright, so now in grade 10, you guys learned about vertical motion very briefly, and you also learned about motion in one dimension. Now that you're in matric, you're going to learn about motion in 2 dimensions, and you're also going to look at vertical motion in more detail. And when you were in grade 11, you learned about the conservation of momentum, and you looked at applications in 1 dimension. Now in matric, you're going to look at applications in 2 dimensions, which is very cool, but it also means that much of the work that you need to know for your final matric examinations will be based on work that you did in grades 10 and 11. And it is for this reason that we're going to spend some time revising the work that you covered in grades 10 and 11 to make sure that you have the necessary foundation of knowledge for your new grade 12 work. Now, because I'm sure that you're just so excited to start learning again, right? We'll get cracking with today's lesson, which is all about how things move in a straight line, or more scientifically, how things move in 1 dimension. Now, this is very useful for describing how a car moves along a straight road or how railway trains move along straight railway tracks. And if you want to understand how any object moves, you need to understand 3 basic principles. Now, these things tell us exactly how an object moves. And these 3 things are: 1, position or displacement, which tells us exactly where the object is. 2, speed or velocity, which tells us how quickly the object is changing its position, or more simply, how fast it is moving. And thirdly, acceleration, which tells us how quickly the object is changing its velocity. Now you will also learn how to use position, displacement, speed, velocity, and acceleration to describe the motion of simple objects. And there you have it, guys. Let's go back to studio.